Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. Please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, link in the description. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be a Hyundai Verna walk around video. So let's go. First is first, coming to the headlights. These are headlights. It's an older generation of Verna and very aerodynamic design. I like the designs on Hyundai vehicles. So these are headlights, no projector setup, LED, DRS, etc. And only a bulbs, that too very focus and nice quality. And this is a indicator of front. And see the fog lamp design, very eye-catching eye design on fog lamps, very nice sharp finish of fog lamps, and in detail you can see chrome finish inside the fog lamps, very nice. And see the design, very nice, very cuts. And this is a center Hyundai badge, and here you can see the line chrome treatment. So coming to the number plate, I like the number plate treatment on this car, very silver finishing and chrome treatment, very nice, and black finish of bumper down. And here you can see the tuning hook, and this is a front profile, and see the lines on the engine boot, very nice finish. And coming to the side, this is the tires of Verna, very nice. So these are Yokohama tires, and profile of the tire is 195 55 16 inches tires. It's a sedan car, obviously 16 inches tires. It's exactly competition to the Honda City, so it's beside to that. Yeah, this is Honda City and this is a Verna. So this is a comparison, I can say, video. And see the alloy wheels on Verna, very nice, silver finishing, and the quality is very nice. And see the disc size, massive enough of disc. Performance is also very nice compared to Honda City. Automatic vehicle, and here you can see the auto logo, and this is off the market. So steel door, chrome door handles, very nice, keyless entry, and this is the keys of Verna, very nice. And sharp line finish cuts on side, very nice, not that much as compared to Honda City. So Honda City has different unique design and Verna has a different unique design. So these both are older generation cars, and in comparison with a very nice. And see the taillights, very sharp finishing and very nice sharp cut finish on taillights, very nice. Verna batch here, SX variant, top end variant, and Hyundai batch here. Hyundai written here again, 1.6 liter diesel engine, 1600cc. And so this is a rear of Hyundai Verna, and very see the design, very nice. But compared to Honda City is the dimensions very big. So this is a top end variant SX. So one of the coolest feature is that in this key, hold, boot and open. There you can see it is open now, and nice feature, easily you can handle. And this is a cover of this car Verna, and space is very nice, very huge space. We can easily keep two big briefcases. And spare wheel, I like the treatment spare wheel, 195 55 16 inches profile of the spare wheel, and alloy wheel on the spare wheel, very nice. And installation is also very nice on top end variant, nice treatment, nice, cool. So this is a petrol lit, and let's sit inside the rear and see. So these are the door, there are no door pockets, disappointing that. And see the wood finish on doors, very nice treatment. See the color on the wood finishing, very nice. And power window and chrome treatment of door handle. See the holder of the door, very nice, and fixed in design. And cloth treatment, leather treatment on door, chocolate and creamy treatment of interior, very nice. Let's sit inside and see here Verna written entering into the car. So it's off the market, obviously. The support is massive enough. Knee room is, don't expect knee room at all in this car. So no scooped out seats, magazine holder in seat, front seats, disappointing that. And headroom is massive enough for 6 feet also. So only disappointing is knee room is not there. And seats are comfortable, 3 people can easily sit. And this is my bag. And center armrest. So here you can see the center armrest with some space in center armrest. Nice treatment to keep mobiles, remote, etc. Nice treatment. Lock system, and no twin cup holders in the center armrest, disappointing me, very harder of center armrest. 3 adjustable headrest, nice treatment, excellent feature, I can say. 3 headrests are adjustable, very nice treatment. And see the space here, black treatment there, and holder there, handle holder. And door finishing is very nice. I like the wood finish of this door on doors, very nice treatment. And speaker, no tweeter in that generation. So in this generation, flat bottom, and here you can see the flat down, and nice treatment. So no AC vents, don't expect that. And it's an older generation vehicle, obviously it won't get. Now let's go to front and see. So here you can see again wood treatment on doors, very nice. I like the wood treatment, tiger finish of wood treatment, very nice. Power windows, lock system, sideway mirror adjustable, chrome treatment on doors, brown and creamy finish and leather treatment on the door, very nice. And here you can see entering of Verna badge, so it's obviously off the market chrome treatment. So in front here you can see the bottle holder, 1 liter bottle and magazine holder, very nice. And so first is first, let's start the engine. Yeah, here you can see Hyundai badge on the instrument cluster. Center armrest of front, here you can see some stuff to keep the space and very nice treatment. It's small enough and twin cup holders at the front and some space here again. This, so it's automatic gear lever here you can see, and it's obviously diesel car, and I like the diesel variants cars and also a automatic on diesel, very nice. And here you can see to keep the stuff some space, and in detail here you can see 12-volt charging socket, aux, USB, iPod, etc. And this is a auto climate control and small screen on AC, so nice treatment. So AC is nice on this vehicle, it's an automatic vehicle, obviously you get a nice treatment of AC. Reduce the fan speed very high now, so sound is very high. And this is a infotainment system, no touchscreen at all, and it's a small display of digital. And here you can see buttons for radio and FM radio, CD, aux, etc. So now you listen the audio sound, very nice, but somehow lacking of audio sound because it's a older generation vehicle and speakers service has gone now. And coming to the dashboard design, I like the treatment of dashboard, chocolate finish, dark brown finish, and see the design way they have done, and slope towards the down here and continue rolling, no cut in the between, and continue rolling to here. Very nice treatment, I like the treatment, and it's my favorite design also of dashboard. And see the cross cuttings on dashboard, very nice. So 4 AC vents at the front, and this is the infotainment system setting here as well. Let's switch here, front and etc. CD plus CD is here to install, and this is the steering, and it's off the market grab finish, very nice. And these controls for audio system, and these controls for these buttons for calls, receive and cut. And this lever is for adjustable of lights, indicators, and this lever is for obviously wipers. So this is a instrument cluster of Hyundai Verna automatic. So here you can see RPM meter, here you can see the speedometer, and in center it's a digital meter, small, it's a small, but all the features and information will fixed in that small. And now it's in the gear indication. Left side you can see the fuel, right side you can see the fuel level and engine heat up and cool, temperature, time, odometer, trip, etc. And all the features have been fixed in that small digital meter at the front instrument cluster, very nice. And auto dimming inside, very nice treatment. And coming to no light, only a mirror, very nice treatment. And coming to other side, no light, no mirror cover, etc. So this compartment is for goggles and lights, nice treatment. And door button switch here, light. And see the color treatment on the seats, very nice, black and white finishing, cream treatment on the seats, very nice. Comfortable is very nice, cushion is very nice, and the support is massive of front co-passenger and driver seat. Headroom is also nice, and nice treatment of these seats. So this is a chocolate and cream color of interior. And coming to the glare box, massive enough for glare box to give documentation of this car. And some there you can see cool feature of glare box, very nice. Twin airbags at the front, only 2 airbags at the front. So over here you can see at down 2 pedals, brake and accelerator. And coming to this is for brightness adjustable of instrument cluster. So this button is for lever of adjustable of headlights, nice treatment. And back here you can see the seat rear, so it will look like this, and 3 seat belts for all the passenger, 3, very nice treatment on that. Nice treatment overall. Interior, all the features are fixed in top end variant of this Hyundai Verna, nice. I have done test drive video also, so if you want to watch that video, please check. Here is a I button of Hyundai Verna test drive, and this is the interior and walk around video of Hyundai Verna. If you till not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, press the bell icon, follow me on Instagram, link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Comment the video how it is and share to your friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.